OSCR stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Oscar held stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in this space having done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything, so I have genuinely seen what's making me money and what's not. And just looking at Oscar Health, this is one not the worst market, you know, but it's just bearish. And again, it's subjective whether it's bad or not, because you could be looking for shorts here. I don't know, probably not, but OSCR has been breaking some lower lows. I mean, it pumped up quite nicely, and I was generally open-minded for longs, but then since we shifted, it's just that now it's a possibilities gates, you know what I mean? So if the price does start to kind of pump up eventually here and gives me some sort of a double break, I'm still looking to take it further down. But like, bro, randomly selling will just not be happening, you know what I mean? So I do have a lot of OSCR receipts with like 5 results in the Discord, which is not small whatsoever, but like genuinely speaking, like even pre-market, this is being made at 4 a.m. If the price does pump up and gives me a sort of double break, that's when I'm looking to take it further down. Now let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.